Hi, my name is Rita Pannulla. I am Design Director for ImpressArt, and today we are going to make a stamped bezel necklace for JTV's YouTube channel. So nothing says I love you or I care for you more than a hand-stamped bezel pendant. So let me show you some examples. You have the square, the round, and the rectangle. And all of them are done using ImpressArt's fonts. It's a 3mm uppercase and lowercase font. And you could be the best gift giver. I like to consider these a stamp and go project because all you're really doing is stamping a disc, putting the adhesive on the inside back, and then placing it right inside that bezel. Takes no longer than a few minutes to complete a beautiful hand-stamped necklace. Let's go over the tools and supplies you need to start your metal stamping journey. A 3mm uppercase or lowercase stamp font, a steel bench block, an Ergo-Angle hammer, your ImpressArt stamp guides. Today we're going to use the straight stickers. The inside of your kit comes with one bezel pendant, one adhesive sticker, and 4 stampable blanks. You're also going to need ImpressArt's enamel marker and a regular dry household paper towel. Okay, let's get started with this project. The first thing we're going to talk about is just our setup. So you always want to have your hammer on your dominant side and your stamps on your non-dominant side. I like to pull out what I'm personalizing and place it on my non-dominant side, like I did right here. Then I'm going to come in, take my brass blank, place it in the middle of my block, take my sticker guide, and place it where I want to design my piece. The sticker guide secures your blank to your block. Since it's a 3mm font, you're going to come in and use the spaces between your orange and black hash marks, using your orange line as a middle point. When you're stamping, you always want to make sure that the ImpressArt is facing you. If you pull your finger lightly down your sticker, you're going to feel that that creates a ledge for your stamp to sit on. So you're going to place your stamp flat, lightly drag until you feel that restriction. So flat, lightly drag, pick up your hammer, press down on your stamp, and hit it once. If you do get a half impression, I'm going to show you a little technique that I use called tilt and tap. And now instead of just hitting it once, you're going to hit it once in the center and then tilt it towards you and hit it, tilt it away from you and hit it, tilt it to the side and hit it, and tilt it to the other side and hit it again. So let's try that together. And that should give you a full impression in your metal. Again, place your stamp flat, bring that down, feel the restriction in that tape, and there is your T. Then we're going to pull our sticker guide off, take our enamel marker, run it over our stamped impressions. We're going to let that dry for a few seconds. Now we're going to remove the enamel. You're just going to dab it with your paper towel and lightly wipe. Let's talk about drying time. You really want your enamel to sit in your impression and really dry in there. So I would give it a couple of maybe 1 to 3 minutes to really get that enamel to stick inside that impression. You could always come back in if your enamel came back out and just run your enamel marker over it again. And then we're going to remove it. And there you go. So a little tip and trick about your enamel. Let's say you enamel your pendant and you walk away. You come back and it's really dried on. Just a little tip that wet enamel takes off dry enamel. So if you have that enamel and you cannot remove it with your paper towel, just hit it again with your enamel and it will wipe right off. Now we're going to put our adhesive backing on. We're going to peel the first half, and you're going to place that on the back side of your pendant. So you're going to remove the coating from the back side of your sticker, and you're going to place it right inside of your pendant. Put pressure on it for a few seconds, and there you have it, your stamped bezel pendant. Once you've completed your pendant, feel free to choose a chain of your choice and string it on. Let's go back over the tools and materials you'll need for this bezel project. A 3mm uppercase font, your stamp guides, an enamel marker, a household paper towel, dry, your 1-pound hammer, your steel bench block, and your component kit with the bezel, your adhesive sticker, and your inside blanks. If you'd like any of these products, check the description box below. Once again, I'm Rita Pannulla from ImpressArt. Thank you for having me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss out on future videos.